So what's up YouTube, it's Joel with Attention to Detail, and today we're going to clean some fabric floor mats using carpet and upholstery cleaner from Adams Polishes. So in this video I'm not going to waste any time talking, we're just going to go right to it, so let's get started. So you can see that the floor mat's obviously dirty, there's a lot of dirt, there's a lot of junk on it. So we're just going to take a shop vac and we're going to vacuum clean the surface. Now that we're all done vacuuming the surface, we're going to take a stiff brush. This happens to be the Chemical Guy Stiffy brush. And we're going to use that stiff brush to separate the fibers in the fabric, which will help remove any dirt or rocks or anything that's actually stuck in the fabric. Now once we're done with the stiff brush, we're going to move on and try to remove all this pet hair. We're going to use the Lilly brush for that. The Lilly brush is an outstanding brush at removing hair, pet hair, human hair, loose fibers, things like that. Really does a great job. If you don't have this brush, I highly recommend you get one. It's a great tool to have. So now that everything should be lifted and knocked free, we're going to hit it with the vacuum one last time, just so that we don't have anything remaining embedded into the surface. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna use the Adams Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. You're gonna wanna spray that on there fairly liberally, get it nice and moist, nice and damp. And then I'm also gonna use the drill brush attachment. The reason I'm gonna use the drill brush is that's gonna really work that chemical into the fabric. It's gonna lift up any stains that are deep into the surface. It's gonna bring all of the extra dirt that maybe we missed already. It's gonna bring it up to the surface. So now we're going to take the Bissell Spot Clean Pro extractor. So what the extractor is going to do is it's going to remove the excess chemical and the dirt and everything that it's lifted up to the surface. It's going to suck it right out of that fabric, leaving us with a clean, like new floor mat. So now we'll go ahead and we'll remove the tape. Let's look at this 50-50. I think it's pretty clear that the Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner by Adams Polishes has done an excellent job. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This was Joel with Attention to Detail. Thanks for watching.